A very hearty good morning to all my amazing kiddos. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing great and enjoying all the videos of maths. So today we are having a math session. So as we all covered the topic of addition without regrouping, with regrouping, with 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. We also finished the subtraction. Now let's move on to the word problems. Yes, dear children, I know we already solved the word problems, but today we'll have a look little more closely. Okay, so I hope that you all are ready with your books, and let's move on without wasting any time. And I am your teacher, Sharon. So let's move on, my dear children. Okay, so my amazing children, now in page number 102, the exercise is given to us. The exercise number C that says, will you add or subtract? Tick the correct box. So in this box, there are some problems. You can see the problems. Now, after reading this problem, you have to recognize whether you have to add that problem or you have to subtract that problem. So one is already solved for us. So let's move on to the second one. Dhoni scored 99 runs in the first innings and 85 runs in the second innings. So how many more runs did Dhoni score in the first inning than in the second inning? So here it is very clear that we have to subtract. Okay, so now let's write and do the subtraction. So my dear children, we'll write 99 up and minus 85 at the bottom. Now we have to subtract all these numbers. So if we subtract 5 from 9, can you tell me what will be the answer? Very good, dear children. If we subtract 5 from 9, we get the answer 4. So we'll write 4 in ones place. Then let's move on to the tens part. If we subtract 8 from 9, what will be the answer, dear children? Very good. The answer will be 1. So therefore, Dhoni scored 14 runs more in the first inning than the second one. Okay, so dear children, the second word problem. It says a book has 256 pages, 135 pages have pictures. How many pages are without pictures? So it is very clear that in this word problem we have to subtract. Yes? So let's together subtract. So we'll write 256 on the top and 135 at the bottom. Now here we have to do the subtraction. So if we subtract 5 from 6, we get the answer. Very good. We get the answer 1. Now if we subtract 3 from 5, we get the answer 2. Okay, now if we subtract 1 from 2, how much is remaining? Very good, dear children. 1 is remaining. So therefore, 121. Similarly, there are 147 students in a school. On Tuesday, 11 were absent. How many students were present? So here, it is very clear that we have to find the number of students that were present. We have to do the subtraction. So let's take in the part of subtraction and let's together do this subtraction together. 147 minus 11. So If we minus 1 from 7, how much is left? Very good. 6 is left. So we'll write 6 in 1's place. 1 from 4. If we minus 1 from 4, how much is left? Very good, dear children. 3. So we'll write 3 in 10's place, and 1 will come down as it is. So dear children, 136 students were present. Okay, so dear children, now as we know that we also have to tick, so in the second problem we have done the subtraction, so we will take in the place of subtraction. In the second problem we have done the subtraction, so we'll take in the place of subtraction. In the third problem also we have done the subtraction, so we will take in the place of subtraction. In the fifth problem we have done the addition, so we'll take in the addition part. And this last problem will be a homework. Okay. So my dear children, in the page number 103 it says learn by doing. So the A is add or subtract and the B is add or subtract. So let's together solve all the first 4 sums together, and the other 4 sums will be your homework. So in the first one it is 895 minus 15. So if we subtract 5 from 5, we get the answer 0. So let's write 0 in 1's place. So 1, if we subtract 1 from 9, we get the answer. Come on, tell me. Very good, dear children. We get the answer 8. Then there is nothing in the hundreds place at the bottom. So we will bring down the 8 as it is. So therefore 880 is the answer. Second one, it is the addition. So 510 plus 28. Okay. So 0 plus 8 will be 8. 1 plus 2 will be 3. And 5 will come down as it is. Third one, 592 plus 9. So 9 plus 2 will be, dear children, come on, very good, it will be 11. So we'll write the 1 in 1's place and we'll carry 1 on top of the 9. So 9 plus 1 will be, come on, 9 plus 1 will be 10. So we'll write 0 and again we'll carry 1 at the top. So 5 plus 1 will be 6. So therefore 601 is the answer for third sum. Now in the similar way, the fourth sum says 667 minus 42. So we have to subtract 2 from 7. So if we subtract 2 from 7, how much is remaining? Very good. So let's write 5 in the 1's place. So subtract 4 from 6. So how much is remaining? Very good. 2. And we'll write the 6 as it is. So therefore 625 is the answer for fourth sum. So you will do this at your home. Okay, dear children? Okay, so my dear children, now this part is very interesting. It says all the answers of A and B are given in the table. Color orange, the answer box of A, and color green, the answer box of B. So here the table is given to us and we have to color the A box orange and we have to color the B box green. So very interesting, dear children. Come on and take out your color faster and let's color it together. As you can see, we have already finished coloring. So isn't it looking like flag? Yes, dear children, we have colored it like flag. Okay, so dear children, I hope that you understood this small video. So I'll meet you in another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe